Hi, if you are struggling to create TikTok shop videos that actually get sales, this video is only for you. Today I will show you an AI tool that create a realistic UGC style videos that don't have fake AI plastic look. You can choose from any influencers, create high quality shoppable videos in a minute and use them for TikTok shop reels and other short form platforms. I will show you exactly how it works and how to use the free credits and how to get more free credits. And we will create a complete video together from start to finish. Let's jump into computer screen and get started. So right now I am on my laptop screen and I will show you how to add shoppable videos. And first of all, we will need product images and product details. I will click on product and then I will click on manage product, and then I from here I will find some products images. So I will click on edit because I need to copy the images. So here are my images. So I will copy all these images one by one. Now I have copied all images. Now I will come to the website that I want to use. So I will click login and log in with my account. And once you sign up link in the description, and once you sign up you will get 30 free credits. And when you use these credits, and after that again you will get another 3 credits, so in total you will get 60 free credits. And if you want to purchase the paid plan, then you can purchase that as well. But I have already logged in my account, and now I will create my UGC video, and I will click on UGC video. I will create an character so that I can use that. So I will use a lady. I will choose female, young female or American fashion blogger while and have long hair. Okay, this is my and fashion blogger, and no, this region skin tone, that is Nano Banana Pro. Will create our avatar. I will click on generate generated video. So there are also other options, use UGC image, and I will click on UGC video, and I will select this my avatar. I have that created. Now upload my product is from here. So I will go to ChatGPT, and first of all I will capture the screenshot of that. So I will hit enter, and I will paste here. I will select my avatar, and I will click on sound effects, and after in the output I will select 1080p, and for the duration I will select 15 second. And then after that, after looking at this, I will hit generate, and it will take some time, and after that it will generate video for me. And here is the video,
Stop spending 30 minutes doing your hair. I literally just clipped this giant bow on and instantly look like I actually tried today. It is so secure, high quality, and comes in the prettiest colors. Grab yours below before they sell out.
I love this video, and that is a very good video, and it doesn't look like AI generated videos. So I will download that, and then I will post that on my TikTok shop. And right now I am on my TikTok shop, and I will post that same video. For the posting videos I will come here to content hub. They have changed the setting of shoppable video section. Before it was another, now they have made changes in the platform. So I will click on content hub, and then I will come to overview, and then post on TikTok. I will choose my video here. This is a video. I will click, and from here I will select my product that will be show in the video. So here is our product. I will select and hit on confirm, and it will change automatically. It will add automatically keywords. So here are the hashtag, and here is the product. So I will remove the name, and that is set to everyone. And AI generated content, I will click on AI generated content, and then I will hit, and here you can see that all the description, this is a description from our product, and this is our TikTok that is linked. Maybe sometimes you face an issue of you have not linked any TikTok. I make another video where I show how to link TikTok shop with TikTok, so you can watch that video and you will fix that issue. And then after that, here you can also change the cover of the video as well. From here you can put any default, but this is the cover, I like that. If you want, then you can add custom cover as well. Click on OK, and then post on TikTok. It will take some time, and here you can see that our video is live, and after some time it will start getting views.
Stop spending 30 minutes doing your hair. I literally just clipped this giant bow on and instantly look like I actually tried.
So that's
today.
it from my side. And that I love that platforms that create a very beautiful. Now you don't need to give to sample to influencers, and you don't need to give any commission to them. You can create your own videos, and their plan is very, very simple. They give 60 free credits in the start, and if you like that, then you can purchase their paid plan as well. I have given link of that tool in the description. You can check that out, and I'm sure that you will love that. By doing that, your own TikTok will also grow, and you don't need to create samples. You need to give the sample to other people as well, and that all will be in your hand. Here you can see other options as well: UGC creator, UGC ad videos. If you want, then you can create your own ad video as well from here. You can upload the preferences images, influencers, and here you can create prompts, and it will be create a very beautiful ad for your ad campaign. Like if you want to run on your Instagram, if you want to run anywhere, and they also will create. And UGC images, this also will create. I have created 2 images, and if you want, then you can create any type of image from here, like any character, male, female. You can select size here, and the model they have used Nano Banana Pro. If you want to use Chat GPT image, then you can use that. And if you want to use Nano Banana 2, there you can select from here. It will cost only 1 credit to make image of that. And here that is a prompt box, and the good way to do that, you can write prompt. You can describe your image or require images to Chat GPT or a Gemini, and ask them to create a prompt. They will create prompt for you, and you can put here, and they will create a beautiful video for you. If you like that video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.